Hi guys, it's Becky, and I just have a real small unboxing today. It is a earring bundle that I picked up from Bead Box Bargains, and it was just a real sweet, real small bundle. Not a ton of beads. It's mostly findings and pendants and things, they put it together as a bundle. It was an earring elegance bundle, and usually by the time I get these bundles and I unbox them, they're like long gone from their store. But often the little bits and pieces that make up these bundles, those will still be available at Bead Box Bargains if you wanted to go. There was like one of these that you looked at and you're like, "Oh, I love that." You could go find it with the product code or the description. But they just had like some ear wires, some little charms, some things like that. And sometimes one of the reasons I love earrings is because they are an easy win. Usually they're very simple and easy to make, and you've got something with not too much effort that you can wear and be happy with. And so I need an easy win tonight, guys. I need an easy win. So I'm just gonna, this was my thank you gift, by the way. It's just a couple of these leaf charms, which would make great earrings, by the way. So I'm just gonna go down through my list of what we've got in here. So we've got nickel-free kidney ear wires, and that's what these are. And all right. And what makes the kidney ear wires fun is they've got this little loop on the back, so you can open and close it. So we're going to make earrings with these and our little components, and it is going to be a fun and easy activity. So I'm going to pull a couple of these out, and I am going to go down this list. Let's see what else we've got. This one. This is an 18 karat gold plated brass and cubic zirconia flower charms. Crystal clear. Let's get up real close to these. They are smaller, so you can see it is gold plated brass and cubic zirconia. They've got a little loop on the top, and I'm gonna just slide these suckers right on here. Actually, that jump ring, I think I'm gonna pull a jump ring off. This is my unboxing. I'm gonna open these up, I'm gonna make an earring with it, and then I'm gonna move on to the next thing because I just want to make earrings tonight. You guys? So I'm gonna pull this jump ring off because the jump ring wasn't closed to begin with. And that's going the wrong way. Turn it that way so that it faces the front. There we go. Now I've got myself a little earring. Close that guy up. And I'm just gonna move these over here so that I can make a second one later. That way, you guys, it's not gonna take like 2 hours to go through this very small little unboxing. So let's grab the next one on my list. I've got my packing list over here, and that is 144. That's the one. It's this one has, that one was crystal clear. This is the same kind. The actual number is 1 off. Instead of 143, it's 2144, and it is a rose colorway. So it's this light pink color. Let me get this. Off of there. Slide it on my ear wire. Come on, buddy. This isn't an easy win, guys. It's it's not opening nicely. I keep putting it on the wrong way. One of these days, I'm going to figure out how to do this the right way. There we go. So this is the light pink one. And they have other colors. I actually bought another color. It was not in the bundle, but it's this blue color one. It's like a sapphire blue. It's again a cubic zirconia. And if I have enough ear wires at the end of this, I'll go ahead and make some of these too, and then I'll have a whole bunch of little flower earrings. And you know, this would be a really great thing for like making gifts for people, because just buy the bundle and then start making some earrings, and low effort, high impact. They look great. All right, so then we've got Wreath Charms Jet Black. Where's the wreath charm? There it is. And this also came in different colors. And is probably still available on the site. But it's basically just wire wrapped with like a little loop of these small rondelles. And I'm just going to stick it on an ear wire, and I'm going to have myself a little pair of earrings. Well, one earring, because I'm going to just do them one at a time. And I don't have to do anything with the a jump ring or anything on that. Super easy, super quick. And look at that, I got it facing the right direction right at the start. I am learning how to work with these kidney ear wires. All right, so I've got those over there. And let me show you, because I did actually purchase a couple of the other colors. They were not part of the bundle, but it's 148 and 146, 2148 for the findings. There's this color, which is a kind of light milky turquoise. And then this color, which is kind of a darker, greener turquoise. It's like they're both turquoise, but they're like different colors of turquoise, if that makes sense, and if you can even see on camera the difference between the two. Like this is greener and this is bluer. And so I grabbed a couple of those from the site with my order, because I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll feel like making those into earrings instead, or in addition to. All right, let's grab a couple more ear wires and keep going. So then we've got the enameled leafy branch charms. These are pretty. They are light gold green. And they just have the enamel on them. Super easy to, and you know what? With this, I am going to need, what did I do with those jump rings that I opened from the other charms? Because I'm going to need to add a jump ring to this. How convenient. How convenient to get them to face the right way, the way that I want them to. You know what? Instead of sliding it along there, I am just going to go ahead and attach it right there while I've got this jump ring open. I'm trying to close this jump ring properly. There we go. Now, got my green earring. Super simple, super cute, super fast. Done. All right, so then we've got brass shell and rhinestone diamond charm. Which one is that? This is it. All right, so it doesn't look like brass shell and rhinestone here, but that's because we're probably looking at the back of it. So let's open this up and look at the front. Oh, that is pretty. It's got like a mother of pearl shell along the front. There's little rhinestone in there. These are some classy earrings already. I love these. super, super easy, super cute. Let me show you that product number if you wanted to grab some of these. They still have them available. And you know what? They're going to be having a Black Friday sale. I don't know if these will be in the Black Friday sale, but it's worth noting before going to the site to see if they do have them and if they're going to be on sale or included in that. And I know they had a preview, but I don't recall if any of these were included in the preview because I didn't actually write down anything or make special note of anything for that. And for those who don't know, Bead Box Bargains is the sister site for Bargain Bead Box, and it's just a place where you can get like closeout deals on beads. It's where you can find extras for the bead boxes, and they usually have pretty good deals on things. So let's see, we had cubic zirconia drops, crystal pink, ruby, and red. That's this one. That is this one, and that is the product number. These are little drops that have these 3 cubic zirconia beads. You've got clear, pink, and red. They are super cute, super adorable, and I think I'm going to need to take off the jump rings for these. So let me pop this one open. And then we'll open up this, slide that onto here. All the way down to the bottom. Super cute, super easy earrings, right? Like, earrings are always a win for me. Something easy, something great, high impact. So we're just gonna make all of these. It's not just unboxing them. I'm making these while we're unboxing them. And then we've got one that is cubic zirconia crescent gold, 158, 159. This one. So this is a Crescent chandelier pendant. It's brass and cubic zirconia. And that has, there's your crescent. It's like a little moon. So we've got something with a little more dangle, a little more jangle in our dangle, which, as you know, I am a fan of. So let's get these on here. This was, by the way, I'm really happy with this bundle. This was a great idea, and it was inexpensive, you know, for what it is. But I didn't have to, you know, trawl through all the findings and find all of the dangles and add some ear wires to it. It was just something that I could click buy now and have it show up, and now I'm making some earrings and having a great time with it. All right. Next, 159. These are round chandelier pendants. All the rest of these are chandelier pendants. So these round ones have the cubic zirconia circle up at the top, and then a couple of dangles coming down here. These are fantastic. It looks like these. Looks like I am just going to have enough ear wires for what came in the bundle. That was really good planning on their part. Really good planning. There we go. The dangle is turned around. There we go. That's better. Let me tip it up so you get some more sparkle. 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 because I love sparkle. Sparkle is important. All right, I've got 2 more to open. This one is cubic zirconia shield pendants. Oh, look at that. You've got a cubic zirconia stones up on around the edges, one in the middle, and then you've got one in the dangle. I'm just going to scooch a little bit closer so you can see in better detail with our little sparkles. These are fantastic. You know, I'm going to sparkle all winter long with these. Or, you know, like I said, really easy way to make some presents and gifts for folks. Super cute. Super easy. One more. And this is a triple oval chandelier pendant. Oh. Oh, honey. All right, let's get this a little bit closer so you can see where all of our cubic zirconias are. Triple ovals. And then we've got a circle up there. So this is a little bit fancier than all of the other ones. That's fine. Sometimes you want something simple and understated like this. It's very minimalist. Sometimes you want something fancy with scroll work and lots of sparkles. All right, let me get the second earring done and we'll go back over all of these. All right, so I made all of my second pairs and it is full of sparkle, full of glitz. Kind of makes me happy just looking at them with all my little sparkles, all my little dingles. This was a fun way to spend the evening. But yeah, I hope they put out more of these smaller, less expensive bundles that have just a really simple, easy like project that you can do where you've got like some earrings, some findings that you could stick on some earrings and have an immediate easy win, because this is great and I really appreciate that they put these together and that they made them available on their site. There we go. But yeah, and I've got other findings that I bought alongside of them that I can make other earrings with. I just need to go grab some ear wires and do that with them. But that should really not be too hard for me to do. You know, like just really not hard for me to have a couple of extra ear wires and make some more of these things with them. But anyway, I am glad y'all spent some time with me while I was making my earrings. And if you don't subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, it's not just a subscription box. They also have a lot of inexpensive beads and findings and sales. And although the 30% off coupon that the subscribers get, that's really nice and it comes in really handy, they'll often have other coupons in sales that they'll run that anyone can participate in. So it's worth sometimes checking their site, see what they've got. Anyway, I hope you all have a great evening and I'll talk to you later. Bye.